Today, let's review a Grind 75 easy question. This one is called Same Tree, and I solved it a long time ago, but I reviewed it a month ago, so let's go over it. So you're given the roots of two binary trees. Notice not binary search trees, so it doesn't mean that the left is smaller than the right necessarily, although it is in this picture. In this case, for example, the left one node is not smaller than the root node. So now we want to essentially check if these two roots are the exact same thing, and if they're not, then return false. If they are, then return true. So why don't we start by getting all the nodes of the trees and then putting them into a list and comparing if they're identical or not. You can also solve this recursively, but I find this to be more intuitive. So let's call this self.first for p and self.second and create two lists. Go down or call the root of the first tree, kick off the recursion here, and define our base case. So we're just getting all the nodes in a depth first search in order or pre-order traversal fashion. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, nothing, 1, 2, 1. So let's call the left child, and this is p, not root, p.right, and then self.first.append p.value, because p is not none, which means it won't have a value, that node, and it would have ended the recursion. And then let's print self.first. Just want to see what it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, cool, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 1. And let's do the same for q. Oops, so q is here. So if not q, right, if q is on a none node, we're at the leaf, we can't go any further, so return none, or you can just return nothing, it doesn't really matter. Self.second dot append to the rear of the second list the value of the current node. Same thing, use pre-order traversal, and let's print self.second. Okay, so the issue here is that these are not the same, but they look the same. So what do? There's actually a none node. So why don't we just, when we hit the base case, because the base case is not in the same place here and here, we'll still just append and end signaling that we've hit the base case for both first and second. That should differentiate it. Okay, and yep, so this is fine, even though it doesn't look like the tree. Just shows you how the recursion works. And now we can just return self.first is equal to self.second. Hopefully this works. Okay, cool. Yeah, it does. So very straightforward. Do a pre-order traversal on both the trees, get all the nodes, and also append and whatever character you want to indicate that the base case has been hit, just to make sure that the leaves are actually in the same place, because they might not be, and that works. So hope this video was helpful, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.